Hello, I am Dean of Enrollment Management and Student Services, Kelly Schimpf. I am pleased to share details about the admissions open house on Wednesday, July 24th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. in Davidow Hall. During the open house, students and families can learn about SAC's programs of study, advising, financial aid, scholarships, the Educational Opportunity Fund, and Mighty Oaks Athletics. Speak with an academic advisor, meet the faculty, staff, and coaches, learn about SAC's nursing programs during a 1-hour information session, tour the campus, and watch live glass demonstrations and visit the state-of-the-art Glass Education Center. Information will be provided in both English and Spanish. Our fall semester starts on September 3rd with on-campus and online classes to allow students maximum flexibility in creating their course schedules. We hope to meet you at the open house on July 24th. Enjoy the rest of your summer.